Nice decision. And ball again for the serve goes to the Gida. Gida number 5 player on to serve to Baitu over the hand service. Good service supplied by the number 5. Nicely boosted. It is a very nice smash by number 11. No doubt. It was a very good volley, very good smash, and nice quality of volleyball is being seen here on the court. Again, Baitu number 5 on to service to Gida. Over the hand service supplied, and it was dropped. Number 5 JD. JD dropped the ball. Running ball was dropped to the opponent coach, and 1 point again goes to Gida. Gida on to serve. Number 5. Gida on to serve to Baitu. It is absolutely out, almost 3 or 4 feet away from the back line of this court, and service goes to Baitu. You see number 5 is small check. Over the hand service by Jab. Good service supplied. Nicely raised, and it was an easy drop. Again Baitu on attack. And it was a very nice smash by coach. The person who is wearing the t-shirts on his back, coach Chaman Lal Benipal. Very nice shot. Definitely it is a quality of the play. Whenever the ball is nicely raised and smashed in a well manner, it is an extreme degree of satisfaction for all the spectators. I compliment Mr. Chaman Lal. Again, Baitu on to serve. Whistle is there by umpire. Number 5, over the hand service, it was in the net. And advantage, 1 point goes to Gida. Serve goes to Gida. You know, that was a time when volleyball game set was of the 50 points, but now it is a tennis point system, and there is no service point on. Gida on to serve to Baitu. Drop. And 1 more point goes to Gida. Gida is trying to make the recovery. Gida is trailing behind 12 points to 13 in the first set of second semi area. Number 6 from Gida on to serve to Baitu. Good service. Supplied. Booster raised in a nice way from the left side. Smashed. Number 5. And it was easily dropped, taken by Gida, and 1 more point goes to Gida. And points are 13 each. Baitu 13, Gida 13. Neck to neck fighting here. Gida on to serve to Baitu. Good serve over the hand. It was supplied. Chaman Lal easily crossed it. JD raised the ball, and number 7 dropped to the back end. Number 5 was not vigilant there, and again 1 point goes to Gida. Gida is now taking lead 14 to 13 points. Gida, number 6 on to serve to Baitu. Good serve over the hand, supplied by coach. Boosted, and Chaman Lal, it was a cross smash, just diagonal to the net, and nice point awarded by Gida. Baitu, and 4 all, 13 all. Number is 14 all. Boosted. Number 6 tried a best to smash, but ball was turned to the left, and it is in his own court, but taken the block out. 1 more point goes to Gida. Gida on to serve to Baitu. Good serve over the hand supplied by Chaman. Nicely raised by number 8, and 7 number easily crossed it. 8 number supplied, and it will be easy cross just near the net. It was raised nice and very good. It was a mind game point taken by the number 8 player of Baitu. Very nice. You see, technically nowadays volleyball